Hello guys, today we're going to make an ice candy. The ingredients are condensed milk, evaporated milk, and blended fruit cocktail. We also need funnel ice candy plastic bags. Mix all the ingredients together. Mix, mix, mix. Using a funnel, transfer the mixture into an ice candy bag. Don't forget to ask for help. Put the ice candy inside the freezer. Wait until frozen to eat. Hope you like my video. Bye!